Did you know the average office worker uses 156 pens per year, wasting up to 50% due to disorganization? Ballpoint pens are a ubiquitous office supply item, used daily by millions worldwide. However, their convenience often comes at a cost, as disorganized storage leads to wasted resources and frustration. In this video, we'll explore the impact of quick home organization on your pen collection. From decluttering to categorization, we'll dive into the simple yet effective strategies to optimize your pen storage. Imagine a world where every pen has its designated home, and you can find the perfect one in seconds. It's not just about tidying up. It's about creating a system that saves you time and boosts productivity. Let's start with the basics: categorizing pens by type, color, or frequency of use. This approach allows you to visualize your collection and make informed decisions about which pens to keep or discard. But that's not the strangest part. Studies show that a cluttered workspace can significantly decrease focus and motivation. As you begin to declutter, you'll notice a correlation between a clean environment and improved mental clarity. So, how do you begin the process of organizing your pens?
Start by gathering all your pens and sorting them into categories such as fine tip, broad tip, or rollerball.
Pens and next, each such as category, a specific drawer or rollerball or container. But wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that using a pen holder can increase your productivity by 10%? Yes, you read that right. A simple pen holder can make a significant difference in your work efficiency. Now, let's talk about the importance of maintaining your newly organized pen collection. It's crucial to regularly review and adjust your system to ensure it continues to meet your needs. This might involve reassessing your categorization or adjusting the location of your pen holder. By making these adjustments, you'll be able to maintain your organized space and continue to reap the benefits. In addition to improved productivity, a well-organized pen collection can also reduce stress and anxiety. When your workspace is cluttered and disorganized, it can be overwhelming and make it difficult to focus. On the other hand, a tidy and organized space can have a calming effect and promote a sense of control. So, how can you apply these principles to your own life? Start by identifying areas in your workspace that need improvement and creating a plan to address them. Next, take action and begin the process of decluttering and organizing your pens and other office supplies. As you work through this process, remember to be patient and flexible. It's okay to make adjustments along the way. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. In conclusion, quick home organization is not just about tidying up, it's about creating a system that saves you time and boosts productivity. By applying these simple yet effective strategies, you can improve your workspace and achieve your goals.
If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and don't forget to like and comment below.
Mind-blowing. Subscribe for more facts about incredible productivity and organization. Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.